Now everything is good now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. STD tab, right? STD tab. What is the in operator? For the in operator, what is the query now, guys? Select star from STD tab. STD tab. After then what? STD tab. Where? What is that? Yeah. STD ID, right? STD ID. ID in after then what is that? How? Yeah. Yeah, how many record we have need to select? Those many record will be there inside this argument or not, guys? Come on, this is the query or not? Come on, everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi. Correct.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So shall we write these things and we can check it will work or not, guys? Come on. Okay, so let's write it. Find by, what is that? Find by based on that, which one? This is the right based on this STD ID. STD ID copy. STD ID. After then what? In operator we are going to perform now. What?
In operator.
List of what? Integer. EID, right? EID. Return type is what now, guys?
List of student.
List of student. Good. So now, okay, good. So come in the data runner class. Okay, now comment it. Okay, so what we will do now? Repo dot what? Find by what? Find by what? In, right? This one. Okay, good. So we have need to select what? Multiple record or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Okay, so we will select, what is that? Let's check it. Okay, 104, right? 104 we will select the record. 102, and what is that? Another one is what? 105. How many record our plan to check select what record? We will select, what is that?
3.
105,
records.
this record, and what is that? 104 and this one. Okay, this
104.
okay, 102, 104 and 105. Okay, so for that what we are taking now? In operator na. Okay, so come here. What is that? So what we will take? Arrays dot is list, right? Is list. Inside that, what we will do now, guys? We will select 10 which
2.
one? 102, right? 102 and another
102.
104
4.
4.
and
105.
Okay, this record we are going to select now. For each system dot out print ln, right? Yeah. So now shall we run the application and we will see that, okay, what is our desired result. Come on, guys, it's working or not? See, Padma, Shamita, Amrani. Okay.
Yeah.
What record?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, it's working. Yeah.
Working, right? Working,
Yeah,
right?
it's working. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yeah, got it.
Good. Okay, guys. So another one. Okay. So order by descending and ascending order, right? Is there na? Come on. Order by method.
Yeah.
Operator is there na? Let's check that one also. We can perform order by, unorder and order list, right? So come here. Okay. So order by is there, right? What is that? See in the list, guys. Come on. It is there or not?
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, so let's perform it
Yes,
now.
yes.
let's perform the order by also. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so good. So order by, based on that name only, right? Based on that name only, we will perform it, right? Order by alphabetical order, we will check it. Okay. So now, so let's first what we will do now, guys. So this is the based on this one, right? Based on this one, we will perform it, right? So what is the method now? Find by. Okay, find by. After then what? STD name, right? STD name. Okay, this is only, guys. Okay, STD name. After then come here. Okay, come in the order by, right? Order by. Copy this one and then come here. Okay, paste it. Okay, order by. Okay, good. Order by. Okay, so order by STD name, right? Because we are going to select based on that what? Yeah, something wrong is there, guys. Okay, what is that wrong? Okay, first we will select based on that ID data. We will select the ID and we will decorate what is that based on that name only, right? So this is our requirement. Okay, so what will be there now, guys? Please switch off your camera. Someone is on now. Okay, good. So okay, so find by, right? Find by what? First what we will do now? STD ID, guys. Okay, STD ID. Okay, because based on that ID only we will select the data. Okay, we will select the data based on that ID and we will decorate based on that name. Okay, based on that name. Okay, so okay, so good.
But here we get only one record, Ravi.
Hmm?
If we find by its ID, we get only one record.
Yes, because why we will get the record based on that ID? 1 minute.
I think find by SQS order by a name, for example.
1 minute. Give the time. I will think about that. How we will write the query because 1 minute. Give the just 1 minute. Okay, I will tell. Find by ID 1 minute. Find by each order by. How we can match it? Okay, because the order by is there. Okay, another one more thing is there. No, only order by is there, right? So find by age, order by last name. Okay, last name is saying that. Okay, so no, so how we can find by last name not? Okay, so okay, we will make the combination of both. Okay, we will make the combination of both. So but for find by age not in. Okay, this one is no need. Find by order is there and what not is there, right? We will shall we use both?
Ravi, you can select by where condition one and later order by with other field names.
So okay, so not order by run, right? Not order by name. Okay, what we will take like let's matlab, first what we will do now? First find by student ID. Okay, not order by student name, like this we will take. Okay, not also we will take, order also we will take, and not also, right? Not also we will take. Okay, so okay, so what is that our query? Let's directly write it. Okay, in the data JP only. So our like this, let's prepare it. Okay, come in the repository. So what is our method now? Okay, So we will tell it find by, right? Find by. Okay, good. Find by, what is that? A student ID. Let's take the first student ID, right? Student ID. Copy this one, student ID. Come here, okay? Now, oh, student ID we got it, right? Now student ID we got. Student ID we got it, okay? Then let's take not also, right? Here not is there now. Not first. What is that? Not. Let's make not, okay? Not order by also. Here not order by name. We will not take the not order by name, okay? Not order by name. Not order by name, okay? Not order by, right? Not order by. Let's take name also, right? Student name, this one. And argument we will take, because we are taking what? First what? Integer, right? Integer. What is that? Integer only, right? It's a data type is what now, guys? Yeah, this one data type is what? Integer, right? So we will take the argument here what? Integer, because we will pass the in what? We will take the argument as a what? Our ID only, right? So integer. Integer, okay? Integer ID, okay? We will take the ID and it will return the list of what? Now come to repository, comment. Repo dot what? Find by what? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to take what is that? 103, okay? 103. 103, okay? So here what I'm taking now, find for each println. Good. Now let's run the application. Yeah, good guys, we are succeeded, okay? This is the, we will take multiple things, okay? Multiple things, okay? See this null, right? First we are getting the null, because based on that name only, we not order by, right? Not order by means what we have need to take not order by, okay? Little bit difference is there. After then C, A we are getting, after the P, after then R, after then S, right? S letter is last letter, right? A in the alphabet, what is that? First A is there, right? See this first A we are getting.
Yes.
After then P will come, right? After then what? R will come, P, Q, R, S, right? See this? Come on.
Yes, in alphabetic order.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Very
Ravi. Yes.
Yeah. Like this, we will perform what is that order. We will, whenever we will perform what is that order by, guys, both we will take not also and order by also. And based on that, what is that? One, first we will select the based on that, what is that? Like what? Based on that ID, after the not order by, we will select what is that name. Then we can able to perform what is that? This kind of operation now, guys. Okay, come on. Got it the point now, guys?
Yes, Ravi. It's okay.
Yeah, got it, Ravi.
Okay, so let's, okay, so
Yes, got it.
okay, so not and in, right? Not in also there, guys. Okay, not in also there, right? Not in also there. Let's perform based on that not in also. Not in also, right? Or already we taken, right? Already we taken, right? One example. Okay, come here. This one I'm commenting it, okay? In operator, in this one, right? Okay, good. I'm uncommenting this one, okay? Okay. In here we are taking only what in operator. Not in also there. We are not in that example, guys. Okay. Not in see in we seen that. Okay, but not in also we have need to see, right? So what we will do now? Come in the student repository, right? Where in is there now? Here just make not in. Not in. Okay. Here also not in. Means what? We will not get 101, 102, 104, and 105 record. Okay, 105. What is that? What result we will get? 101 record we will get, and after that what? 10. What is that? 103. So the record we will get. After that 104, 105 record we will not get, guys. Okay, these record, these three record we will not get. This one and another one is what? This one and another one is what? This one. We will get what is that? We will get which record now, guys? We will get this record, right? We will get this record. After then what? This record. Null, not null record we will not get. This record also we will not get. Okay, only two record we will get it. Now, guys, let's if we perform the not null operation. Now let's run the application and we will see that. Oh, sorry. Not null also. Null record also we are getting. It's my mistake, guys. Okay. See this. Okay, this record we are getting, but what is that? How? But what? This record we are not getting. Which one? 104, 105, and 103 record. Padma and Sudhir. Padma, and what? Samita, and what? Amrani record is not there now. See this, guys.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. Okay, not in.
Not in, right? Not in. In means what? Matching record we will get. Not in means what is that? Matching record we will not get.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Matching record.
Those records we don't.
Not in means what? Matching record we will not get. And in means what is that? Matching record we will get. And what is that? See this record we are keeping or not here. 102, 104, and 105. This record matching record we will not get. Why we will not get? Because here we are taking what? Not in. Come on.
Yes.
It means
Yes, Ravi.
those records. Not in.
Sorry, Padma.
Got it. In means only these three records we get.
If
Not in means rest of the records other than this.
these record we will not get, except that all record we will get it.
Got it.
Okay. So now,
Ravi,
yes.
how can I combine not in and order by?
Not in and order by.
Yes.
Yeah, we can combine it. Okay, we can combine it. I will combine it. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys. So another one also coming. Let's see that and are also there, right? And operator and are operator. Come on.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Understood.
Okay, good. So and what are operator? Let's perform the operation now, guys. Okay. So good. So what is that? Our next one is what? So find by what is that order name? Okay. So means what is that? R means what, guys? R means what? If one whatever record is matching, those record we will get, and as well as what? Come on. Anyone? Why we are using and or operator?
Yeah.
And means both conditions should satisfy, or means any one should satisfy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whatever matching
To
record.
add multiple.
Yeah. Whatever matching record is there, those record we will get in the R, right? And what is that in the And in the and what is that? Both record, right? Both record will match, then we will get the result. This one, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, just one minute.
Can you please?
Select
Oh.
select star from. Okay, select star from. What is that table name? STD tab, right? STD tab, right? STD tab, where condition we are writing, right? Where what is that? SID, right? SID. Just I'm writing what is that? Greater than equal to, right? After then what is that? What I'm writing? 102, right? I'm writing what is that? 102. Okay. And what is that? R I'm writing. R writing. I'm writing what? R. After then what is that? S name. What is that? S name. S name.
Yes, name like
S name equal to. I'm writing what is that? Padma. Okay. No, 102 only Padma, right? 102 only Padma. No, I'm writing Sudhir. Sudhir. So now tell what result we will get it now, guys.
Sudhir
He get 102 records
greater
and
than
30
102.
records. Both records will get.
But
Yeah, we
here,
will get both the records.
One.
Both the records.
but here see the result.
102
I wrote
records and name
condition.
Sudhir.
Condition I wrote.
For only
102,
first
103.
condition.
We get 6 records.
No, we will get 6 records. Yes, 102,
Yes,
103,
6
104,
records.
all the except 101. We will get all.
Good.
Yes,
So
we get 6 records.
Yes, yes.
Now
Just isn't equal to 102, no?
something wrong.
Where?
Oh, sorry.
Maybe we
Sudhir.
need to do
Sudhir in
single
a
quote.
string.
Oh,
A
yes.
string.
Yes.
Sudhir.
Yes. I got it. See this, guys?
Yes.
Except
Yes.
first record we are getting, right? But what is that? But if we want, right? If we want, because our record we are getting, right? Here, if we are taking first record is what now, guys, in the database? First
That means
record,
here
Raj, right?
Ravi, first condition it takes.
Yeah, if we take here Raj, then we will get what? What kind of result we will get now, guys? If I'm taking here Raj, what I'm taking, what result I will get now, guys? Come on.
Same.
Okay. All records.
R record we will get. Why same? Because
Yes.
I'm see R, right? R means what is that? 102 means from here, right? 1 minute. From here onward, right? From here onward, R record. This record is except this record we are getting. But what I'm R this record also, right? This record. After then what I wrote, R condition we are writing, right? Now what then this record also I'm covering or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
So now what is record result we will get? We will get all record now. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now, okay, no, if you are confused, just I'm taking what is that 103 I'm taking, right? So here I'm taking 104. So what record we will get? 104 Oracle, HTML, Java means what is that? 104, 105, 106, 107 we will get, as well as what? This Raj
5.
record we will get, but 102, 103 we will not get. Come on.
Yes. 5 records.
5 record. Okay. So now if I'm taking here what? AND operator. If I'm taking here AND operator, then what will happen now, guys? Come
0
on.
records.
Huh?
0 records.
5 records.
0.
0 record.
Genau.
White.
5 records.
Name is not matching with
Yes.
104, right?
Yes.
SID have to greater than 105, and at the same time its name should be Raj.
Oh, okay. Raj name is less than 104 maybe.
Yes. So now, okay, good.
Both conditions should satisfy.
Yes, in this case,
One
what will happen?
condition is not satisfied.
In this case, what will happen? Both conditions should be satisfied. Otherwise, what will we will get?
False, yeah.
We will not get the result, right? We will not get the result. Okay, so what is that? Let's based on this one only. Let's write the method. Okay, let's write the method and we will perform the operation now, guys. Okay, so come here. Okay, here in the
Okay.
repository now. So first, what we will do now? First, we will perform the what this one, right? 1 minute. OR operator. First, we will perform the OR operator. Okay, first we will perform the OR operator. This is the query now. Okay, so good. So here what we will do now? Here first what we will do now? Find by. Okay, good. Find by. After then what is that? Student ID, right? Student ID. So what is that? Here, see this. Copy this one and come here. Now paste it. Student ID. Good. Student ID. Okay, so now good. So another one is what? R condition. We are going to perform what? R condition, right? We are going to perform what? R condition. So what is the operator? R only, right? Now come here. Right? R. Okay, good. So another one is what, guys? Another one was based on that name only, right? Name also, right? We have need to perform. What is the see our query only? What is that? This condition. First, what is that? This one will become. After then what? R condition we are taking. After then what? This operation we are going to perform. So what we will take now? This variable now. Copy this one and come here. Paste it. Okay. Paste it. Okay. Make this one as a capital letter. Now good. Now good. Okay. So now after then what we will do now? Argument. We will take the two argument, right? We will take now in this time. What is that? Two argument. What is that? First one is what? First one is what, guys? This one, right? First one, this one, and this one. So this one is what? String, and this one is the integer, right? So come here. In the what is that? See here. What is that? First one is what? Integer, and the second one is what? String only, right? So come here. Okay, good. Integer. I'm taking what is that? ID. Okay. Another one is what? String. I'm taking, right? String. What is that? As name. I'm taking, right? Sorry, name. I'm taking just name. Okay. Good. Okay, so now return type we are taking list. Student. Good. Now come the data runner class. Now here what we will take now? Repo dot what? For sorry, find by ID or okay. So what we will take now? Let's take 104, right? 104. Here let's take 104. Okay, good. And here I'm taking what? Raj, right? Raj. Good. Now here what is that? For each yes. So what is our result now based on this query? This result, right? 101, 104, 105, 106, 107, right? So this is the record, our expected record is there now, guys. Okay. Now right click. Only 2 record we are getting.
Yes, it's right. It's true.
Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Why we are getting 2 record only?
We have to do is ID is equal 104 and its name is Raj. It's greater than.
1.
where ID is equal to 104 and name is equal to Raj.
Or
So
name.
that's why we are getting yes
Yes.
or name only. That's why. Or means any one condition should be followed. Na?
Yeah, good. Okay, first what we will do now, guys, 1 minute. One change I'm doing now in this application. Okay, so okay, so R we are taking, right? R we are taking. Come here. Okay, I'm not taking this one. I'm taking this only, right? This one only. Okay, R condition. First
Yes.
we should check this one only because we wrote the query for that one only, right? So this one 2 record we are getting, right? Matching record. What is a 104?
Yes.
104, 104 we are getting, and as well as what Raj, both record we are getting, right?
Yes.
Okay, so same like we are getting because the operation we perform that one only, right, guys? Okay, so 1 minute I will write the operation. Okay, for that also. So for that, see this, based on that, what on the console we are getting 2 record we are getting, right? 2 record we are getting, right? 2 record we are getting, na? Come on, Samita and Raj.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Yeah, now let's for that only we will write the one more. Okay, if we want to last one is what our last one is what here we are taking, here we are we took like what, this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, for this let's write the method. Okay, for this let's write the method, and what is in this situation, what result we are getting, this result, right? This much means 2 to 4 6 2 to 5 record we are getting, right? So for that let's write the method, guys. Okay, so for that what is that, because equal to also we will take see that what is that, greater than equal to we have need to take, then we will get the result. Okay, and here just we are taking our condition only. See this, just we are taking our condition. Just here what we are taking, what is that, our condition. Okay, here we have need to take what is that, greater than also, then we will get. Okay, then we will get. Okay, let's perform in the same only, right? So greater than, okay, here what is that,
Greater than equals.
here we take this one, right? Copy this one.
Greater than equals.
Yes, copy this one and make here what is that, student ID greater than, and what, another one is what, guys?
Equal.
Yes,
Greater than equal.
equal.
Down. Yeah.
Where the equal, I'm not seeing.
Just down. Second.
Yeah, here, right?
Yes, is.
Okay, now it will work, guys. Okay, now it will work. Copy this one, come here.
Ravi, for the R condition, no need to put anything.
Sorry,
Student. Here for the ID, we put the greater than equals, right?
yeah, find by ID, right? Based on that ID we are selecting, right?
Okay.
Hey, why we are getting the error?
Maybe there we put equals, but
R.
in the query, there will be only equal, not equals.
Equal, right?
Yes, but we put equals.
Just equal. This
S
one.
is not there.
Why? Because the
Yes, yes.
1 minute, 1 minute. Any equal also
Because
there.
in the documentation, all yeah.
Because based on the documentation only we can.
Here,
Any equal is not there, man. Less than, okay, less. Oh, good. Greater than and equal. Good. Very good. Good observation. See, already there, na? Already there. Okay.
yes.
Greater than equal. Okay, this one only. Good observation. Who's that? Name? What is your name?
Mayank here.
Oh, good mind. Now it will work. See this, we are getting record, guys. 101, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 record we are getting. Those are record. 101, 104. Okay, right? Come on. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Based on that, if you remember, find by plus entity class as well as what this list, guys. Based on this one only, we are making the method. Okay, we are making the method. If anything mismatch, see that we are getting the wrong. We are getting the exception or not, guys. See this, like this, we are getting that. Okay, like this, we will get it. Okay, so okay, good. So next one is what? Our next one is what? Let's greater than and what is that student? We will use what multiple like also like operator also here we will use it based on that what we will select it. Okay, we will select the record, guys. Okay, we will select the record now. Okay, so let's make a complex type. Okay, complex type method. Okay, complex, little bit complex type. Okay, so good. Okay, good. So our next one is what, guys? Not like, right? Based on that, whatever character we will take, right? Based on that, whatever character we will take. Okay, based on that character. Okay, based on that character. Okay, not we will select a not also, right? And not greater than. Okay, not greater than. Okay, so we will take the not also, not, and after then what is we will select the based on that what we will select the data from the based on that what our character first letter, right? First letter we will select the data. Okay, this is our what is that our requirement now. Okay, so for that let's prepare it. Okay, let's prepare it the method now. First, what is that? Come here. So find, and we will use what here? And operator also, and operator. Okay, because our main focus are we seen that, right? R operator we seen that. Okay, we will select the we will take the and operator usage also, right? And operator usage also. Okay, good. So next one is what now, guys? Find by okay, find by ID, right? Let's take the ID. Okay, I'm taking the ID. Copy this one, paste it. Okay, here what? S. Good. So find by ID. Okay, so now